Hello YouTube, it's Donnie here with Donnie's channel. I'm here to show you how to do a cabin filter on a 2016 Mazda CX-5. Okay, this is the cabin filter right here. These are pretty simple. The installation only takes around 3 minutes, if even. So you come on over here to the passenger side, you drop the glove box, and if you look here, you got that piece that's connected right there. You got one little knob that's like a compression knob, so you just move the side of this right here in, and that's gonna unhook. Same thing on this side, so let's give her a go. We're gonna disconnect this side, just pull on this, and you can see the clip comes out. Go to the other side, same on that side, clip comes out, and then you just disconnect this piece right here, and that unconnects. Next that's out, you pull down just a little, and then make sure, there we go. And then that literally just falls down like that, and the cabin filter is right there. So you just pull up on this little knob, and it slides right out. You take that down, that's got that same clip. So you just install the new one the same way the old one came out, with the little clip knob pointed down. So you just take it, slide it in the hole, push, and that clicks in right here, and that's pretty much it. You just take this, the glove box, and sometimes it comes disconnected there. Let's see, let's get this a little closer. Okay, right there. You can lift the glove box back up on top of there. On both sides, there's that side right there, and then there's that side. And you just take the glove box, and it's gonna go up right there. You see it slides in. So it just goes right back into place. And you take this piece that you previously disconnected, reconnect it on there, and put this sticker press back in there, and you're all good. And that right there is how you install a cabin filter on a 2016 CX-5. If I helped you guys out, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for tuning in. Hopefully I helped somebody. Thanks, guys.